reporting live from the gaming event, man. Davos, man. Gaming Baseball Assembly, man.
What up, we had the NCAA Malachi event. You know, it's amazing. Got them over there playing the game right now. Got the kids outside. Do it for the kids, man.
These sports cards, the Malachi Toney event. See, we got everyone playing the game right now. Malachi Toney, EA Sports. That's a dope event.
Shout out to all these sports cards coming out to check out our gaming event today hosted by Malachi Toney. Let's go all these sports cards.